this is going to be an update here on Mana, a bit of Decentraland coming through. As you can see here, guys, we have been setting all-time highs coming through at $4, at around $4.92 there. Most recently, we saw a humongous pump to the upside. We have seen a pullback, currently trading at around $2.86 there. So really not too bad there. Healthy pullback, that's absolutely fine for us to be doing that. In terms of this trend line that we've got coming through here, in terms of a level of support, we have found this multiple times here, even before this massive pump to the upside. So now we know, even if we do come down to this zone at any time in the future there, then we know we're probably going to have some upwards momentum from there. Good stuff. In terms of resistance, we do have heavy resistance points along here that we were struggling to get over. And as you can see, from this massive uptrend, it has prevailed there as well there, bringing us down from that price, getting a candle body close below that trend line there. And that's obviously signified some sort of, I'd say, a bullish pennant chart pattern. Just looking at it, maybe we could zoom in a little bit there. And we'll just have to see how this goes, actually, because obviously this is at the top of the uptrend here. We're looking at a trend line coming down like that, probably another trend line coming up like that. And yeah, you've got higher lows being set continuously. You've got lower highs being set continuously. And when you see a symmetrical triangle, guys, at the top of a steep uptrend like this, it basically means continuation to the upside, right? Continuation to the upside. And if we are looking for any sort of measure move like so, we're going to go on the most recent uptrend like this, and we could be looking at a nice potential long here for Mana. In terms of percentages, right, we could be looking at something along the lines of this. It's still going to be around a 21% gain there for Mana, so really quite good. And obviously you've seen us spike up like crazy recently, and we're going to do a little bit of the Mount Everest analogy, because when we do see us climb Mount Everest like this, and we are looking for base camp 1, which is just perfect what we are seeing here, guys. Consolidation. We're validating the price movement that we've just had. Absolutely fine. Very good stuff indeed. We could actually be looking for base camp 2. And if we are going to see that, we could be seeing another massive spike up for Mana there. And in terms of, let's jump back to the daily ever so quickly, because obviously we do have this humongous chart pattern coming through there. And if we are looking for target prices here, we're going to go on the most recent uptrend in terms of a measure move here, guys. It's going to be pretty goddamn crazy, okay? Pretty goddamn crazy in terms of a price prediction here for Mana for the future, if this breakout scenario is going to come into fruition there. And you can see the confidence in the coin already. It's looking really quite good. We're going to be looking at around another probably 80% gain there for Mana Decentraland there. So it's definitely something to be looking out for the future as well there. And we'll just have to see how that goes. But yeah, overall, just to summarize, mini breakout coming through here on the shorter term time frames. As you can see there, bullish pennant chart pattern, which usually extends and breaks to the upside. So yeah, looking for around that 21.25% breakout scenario coming through there. And we know all about the staggering take profits continuously there. We're going to be first take profit point is going to be, for me, at $3.22. Next take, we're basically just going on all these reversal points coming through there, guys. You can see a massive congruent reversal point coming through at $3.44. Another one's going to be this trend line to the top side here. And then finally, another one at the completion of this measure move. And then obviously we're going to be looking at another breakout scenario coming through there on the more of a macro scale. But the reason why we do this, guys, is because if we hit our first take profit, we basically move our stop loss to our entry point. And that basically means if we do see reversals and we don't see this measure move actually get completed here, we're going to come back down and we're going to get stopped out at entry. It's going to be at entry, but we've already hit 2 take profits, so it's still a successful trade at the end of the day, minimizing your losses, gridding your take profits. You know the score, people. But yeah, that's going to be an update today on Mana.